Hi everyone, I'm Diantari from 4E English Language Education Study Program, Mahasiswa Swati Denpasar University. As a college student, I'm totally sure that you have many books, paper, pen, and other stationery scattered on your desk. It will make your desk look untidy. Want to buy a desk organizer, but it's too expensive? Don't worry, now we can make our own DIY desk organizer by using useless box and bottles. In this video, I'm gonna tell you and show you how to make a desk organizer. Wanna know how to make it? Please keep on watching. Now, to make a DIY desk organizer, the first thing that we have to do is to prepare the material. Here, I already prepared the material. The first thing is bottle, box, paper wrap or paper clips, color pepper, cutter, scissor, glue, double tip, and cardboard. After we prepared all the materials, now we are going to jump to the steps. Okay, so the first step is cut the box and the cardboard. Here I already cut my box like this, and also the cardboard. I already make it into a shape like this. Okay, so after we cut all the cardboard and also the boxes, now we are going to cut the bottles. Make it into a half, or yeah, I'm gonna cut it in the middle. Cut it by a cutter. After we cut the boxes and the cardboard and also the bottles, now we are going to wrap it by paper wrap or color pepper, and to attach it we are going to use a glue and a double tip. Okay, so to wrap it, I'm gonna use a Batik pattern paper wrap. So I'm gonna use the looks traditional but still elegant. Okay, so that. Wrap the bottle. Now we're gonna wrap the cardboard. Wrap the cardboard by using the color pepper. Here I have the brown one. Okay, I'm gonna put this. wrap the cardboard like this. You do the same thing to the other cardboards, and you have 2 cardboard with a paper wrap on it. And then we are going to we're going to stack them together. I mean, like, attach them together. So it's like this. Like this. Okay, so I'm going to attach them by using whether it is a glue or a double dip. But I think I'm gonna use a double dip. Now it's all is already wrapped by a paper wrap. Now we're going to attach them in another cardboard. Okay everyone, after all the stuff is done, so the final result is like this. Okay, so here we can put everything that we want, such as books or peppers. Here are rulers or other stationery, and pens or pencil. So this is my DIY desk organizer. Hope this video will help you to make your own desk organizer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Thank you!